Do it! Do it!
Feels good. What's that?
Come here, boy. Come here, it's not active.
Oh.
Come here, boy. I'll have the mag in. We're good.
What the heck?
I don't have the mag in. That's okay. But now I do.
Ooh.
I just don't
I'll make sure it's not too.
Am I still shooting? It's kind of a pain in the ass because you can't do it hang.
Yes, you are.
Oh, I might need a mag.
There's a flasher.
Watch out for slasher.
Where are you? I don't know.
Hit! Excuse me. Excuse me. Well, that was fun. What's all that noise? Slashy! Surrender? Surrender? Surrender. Surrender! Ah, I'll trade you, bro. I'll trade you. You sure? Alright, alright. Surrender, surrender, surrender! Oh! That's gonna make some great footage, man. Smile for the camera. Nice. I'll take it, I'll take it. I was getting some footage. I was getting some footage from him. Dude, Slasher messed him up. Hey, hey. Watch out, there's three right there in front of you guys. Heard. I got him out. Oh, I think he got me. I think he got me. It might have been ricochet, but I'll call it. One right in front of you.
There's like 3 dudes on the left side by the barn.
Nice. Oh, okay, dude. You stop, dude. What the fuck? I meleeed you. You okay? You okay, dude? You bleeding? Wait, are you green? Try that again. Why'd it get so quiet? No. Oh, nice, dude, nice. Probably right behind you. Oh no. He said nope.
Yeah, shot right where the fucking vest ends. It burns.
That happens. Oh, nice push, dude. Nice maneuver. I like that. Oh, hit! I'll take it. You good? I don't know. You good? All right. You sure?
I just got fucking steam. Oh, right here, dude.
Yeah, light him up, dude.
On my nipple.
It tickles, right?
I'm not, I don't even know.
Walk it off. You'll be fine, dude. Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Watch out, watch out, watch out. Slasher, watch out. Watch out. Where is he? Where is he?
No, you have to shoot him for him to come at you.
There he goes. There he is. There he is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, 5. Sorry, 5. Right there. He's gone now. He's right there. No, he's right there. It's like right in front of you. What is he doing? He did not. Is he coming after you? He's not. I think you got him too. I think you got him too.
Oh, it's so worth it.
It was.
I don't need to go retrieve it.
Okay. I don't know, dude. Did I hit you? Did I hit you? I think you got me, dude. I think you got me. Yeah.
I'm getting him again.
Do it. Do it. Hey. Nice.
I don't know how it happened, but it happened, and now I have a new high cap.
Ooh, cool. Hi. Whoa. Is that green? Oh, you got me. You got it. Nice shot, man. There's one over a tower if you want to toss it. Oh. Oh yeah, I think they're gonna. Yeah, tell them there's no tower. Yeah, tell. If you see him on the stairs. Hey, remember there's no tower.
My bad, dude. My bad.
Oh. He's on the ground.
Damn, bro. I hate how he holds that shit with a butt like a gun, bro.
I'm trying to slap you all the time.
You got him? Surrender, surrender! Nice, dude, nice. Excuse me, excuse me. Excuse me. Do do, do do, bang bang, bam bam, do do. Oh, whoa! Shot a point blank.
Bro, I'm running so low. I'm running 230.
Oh, I was about to say, you needed mags?
No, I'm running 230 FPS.
Why?
Because in case I want to switch to a Polar Star again.
Oh, okay.
Which I'm thinking I might have to, how these players are playing.
Well, we got Slasher here chilling with us, so. Oh, maybe we can follow Slasher. Yeah, let's follow Slasher. No, don't harass him. Let Slasher do his thing. Let Slasher do his thing.
I'll try not to talk to do a thing to me. Where is Slasher?
I don't know.
I want Slasher, come back! Ooh, right now.
Not me.
You up?
No.
Point.
Oops. Oh, he got me. Damn. No, you're good. Watch out. Here, let me get out of here, man. You get out of your way. The scream is so satisfying. Hey. Yeah? Go get it. Go get him. Good push, guys. Bang, bang! Ah, nice, dude. I'll give it to him.
Dude, I couldn't tell. I kept saying pig.
Don't say bang, bang. If you think if it's an enemy and they're within 10 feet, just say bang, bang. I know.
It's all good. I'm just gonna sprint at him.
Surrender. Whoa. No, too far. Ah! Hit. Did you hit me?
It's up to you.
Hit. Nice, dude. You harassing Slasher again? Watch out, there's one right here. That'd be cool.
Like fireworks in here.
Smells good.
I like it.
Hit! He got me. Hey. Now you're good. Let me get back there. Just try to get back into the action.
They're gonna hold it like it's not freaking gun.
Surrender. Surrender, surrender. Oh no! Oh! Ah! got me. Ah, dude! Nice run, dude! Oh my god! Oh, I'm winded too, bro! Same. Nice. He got me. Sure, I need 5 seconds.